Hey y'all, it's Kina with SweetGemLife. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Goldmine CoCo Peyton subscription. Y'all, it's been sitting for a few days because your girl's been crazy busy, but I just pulled it out the envelope and baby, boom. So if you're interested in seeing all the things, stay tuned. So y'all, we have our sticker pack this month. Let's go ahead and bust that thing open. Okay, so we have Love the Beach Vibes, Watermelon Baby, Relaxed, Refreshed, and Recharged, Summertime Fine, yes, hunty, Life's a Beach, I Need Some Vitamin C. Okay, the swing, we're here for that. I need to just go find some tropical island and just find a swing and attach a swing to a tree and just leave me alone. Yes, ma'am. And then we have Need a Drink and a Tan. The colors on this is everything, y'all. I love the lemon backgrounds, the outlines here. She's a Summer Loving Gem. Green, okay? Enjoy the wave, sis. This me. If any of y'all follow my personal page, y'all know this is me. Forever on a jet ski. Life is better at the beach. Yes. And Fun in the Sun. So these are the sticker pages. How many do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know why I count them. It's always 10. Duh, Kina. So y'all, this next item. Felicia done showed this on her stories a couple weeks ago before the boxes started shipping, and oh my god, y'all, when I tell y'all I can't wait to get on somebody's beach, on somebody's island, so I can go ahead and use this here towel. This here. They're gonna let me in or no? Okay, y'all, this sucker is big, baby. I can't even show the whole thing. That's how big it is. Ooh, and it's soft and it's thick. Y'all, look at this martini towel. Do y'all see this towel? Baby, Peyton lit AF, okay? Shell, starfish, girl, pearl bracelet. We here for this. Bun here, up in a bun, enjoying and living her best life. Yes, ma'am. Y'all, this thing is so soft and luxurious. I cannot wait to use this. So y'all, here is the Q2 Peyton subscription. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. I know it was a short one, but it was a good one, baby. Action packed. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.